Ray diagrams. Let us study how to draw the various ray diagrams for image formations when object is kept at various places in front of a concave mirror and a convex mirror. First case, when the object is kept at infinity. When the object is kept at infinity, due to large distance, the rays coming are almost parallel to the principal axis. Rays coming parallel to principal axis after reflection pass through focus. Hence, all the reflected rays meet at focus. Hence, we get an image at focus. This image is real and inverted and is extremely small sized or point sized image. Let us shift the object one position towards right, that is beyond C. Ray coming parallel to principal axis after reflection passes through focus. Ray of light passing through focus after reflection goes parallel to principal axis. The two reflected rays meet at a point between C and F and a real inverted image is formed. So, when the object is beyond C, the image is formed between C and F. Its nature is real and inverted, and size is small. Now the object is shifted one position towards right and now it is at C. Ray of light coming parallel to principal axis after reflection passes through focus. Ray of light passing through focus after reflection goes parallel to principal axis. The two reflected rays meet at a point such that a real and inverted image is formed at center of curvature itself. So, when the object is kept at C, the position of image is at C, nature is real and inverted, size is the same size as the object. It's important to note that center of curvature is the only position where object distance and image distance is same. It is the only position where the object height and image height is same. The object is now shifted one position towards right so that now it is between center of curvature and focus. Ray of light going parallel to principal axis after reflection passes through focus. Ray of light passing through focus after reflection goes parallel to principal axis. The two reflected rays meet at a point where a real and inverted image is formed. So when the object is kept between center of curvature and focus, the position of image is beyond center of curvature Nature of image is real and inverted. Size of image is large. Now the object is shifted one position towards right and now it is at focus. Ray of light going parallel to principal axis after reflection passes through focus. Since the object is kept at focus, we cannot take a ray passing through focus. So we take a ray that passes through center of curvature. We know ray of light that passes through center of curvature retraces its path. The two rays are parallel to each other and we assume that they meet at infinity. So the image is formed at infinity. So when the object is kept at focus, the position of image is at infinity, nature of image is real and inverted, and the size of image is extremely large. Now the object is shifted to a position between focus and pole. Ray of light going parallel to principal axis after reflection passes through focus. Ray of light passing through center of curvature retraces its path. The two reflected rays appear to meet at a point behind the mirror. That is where an image is formed. This image is virtual and upright and is larger than the object. Remember, this is the only position in a concave mirror where a virtual and upright image is formed. For rest of the positions, real and inverted images are formed. Let us study the case of a convex mirror. In a convex mirror, for all the positions of the object, image is formed behind the mirror, that is, it is virtual, upright, and smaller than the object. Ray of light coming parallel to principal axis diverges and appears to come through focus. Ray of light that passes through center of curvature or appears to pass through center of curvature retraces its path and appears to come through center of curvature. The two extended rays meet at a point where a virtual, upright and a smaller image is formed. So for all the positions of object in convex mirror, we get virtual, upright and small image only. Thank you.